And click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me. Money's coming to me.
U.S. wages are going up, unemployment at 50-year lows, wages for blue-collar and lower-income Americans, which matters the most, that is still rising. It is a Goldilocks economy.
We're in a Goldilocks economy. That's right. That's what we're told by these jibber-jabbers. Oh, and we have another jibber-jabber tell us everything is just fine. Oh, and the middle class is doing good, too.
It shows, by the by, that the labor market is still strong. Consumers and wage earners are still strong. As I said, America is working. I think people are underestimating the underlying strength of this economy. And I want to also add this. It is a middle-class boom.
Middle class is shrinking. It's been shrinking. And the biggest problem that we have when the middle class shrinks is that we lose that power of creating new businesses. Remember, each new business, each startup business is powerful. 72% of our jobs come from startup businesses. Now, the middle class, where did the middle class come from? The middle class came from manufacturing. That's right. If you go all the way back and you go to, and we had a strong manufacturing economy and people were working in factories and they were getting, that's where the high paying jobs were. It was that group that worked at those high paying jobs, manufacturing, construction, those kind of jobs. They were considered the middle class because when they paid all their bills, paid their taxes, they had enough money left, disposable income, to start a business. That's gone. We are seeing more businesses close their doors than open because the middle class can't grow when there's no manufacturing. When you have manufacturing just doing nothing, I mean, when you look at the manufacturing jobs, my Lord, just minus 36,000 manufacturing jobs in October, 61,000 bartenders and waitresses. So we lost 36,000 manufacturing jobs. We lost 7,000 mining jobs over the year. We only put up 10,000 construction jobs. So the jobs in this country that creates the middle class, because the middle class, remember, is the backbone of this country. They're the backbone. And the businesses they created, the startup business they created, where 72% of our good jobs come from, that was the foundation of our economy. Gone. But see, these people just want to get out there and just talk. It's all a bunch of BS. Just like today, they're all excited about the jobs, the wages, wage increases.
U.S. wages are going up, unemployment at 50-year lows, wages for blue-collar and lower-income Americans, which matters the most, that is still rising. It is a Goldilocks economy.
Now let's tell the truth. Let's tell some truth. Wages? Are you nuts? Here's what they're masking. Jobs are declining, first of all, not increasing. She's on there, and Kudlow's on there, tells us how jobs are increasing. We're in a Goldilocks economy. They're not telling you the truth. Let me give you some truth. In 2018, the monthly average job growth was 223,000. 2018. Here we are, 2019. The monthly average job growth dropped by 51,000 a month. We're averaging 172,000 instead of 223,000. But here's what they do. They came in and they said they underestimated on purpose. So there's only going to be 75,000 jobs. They knew there wasn't going to be 75,000 jobs. They knew what number they were going to come in with. They knew they were going to come in with 128,000. But they didn't want to tell you that. So they spoon-fed us a 75,000 October job gain. But when they came in, they said, oh, my God, look at this, 128,000. Wow, what a Goldilocks economy. No. If you go back and look at 2018, think about it. Compared to 2019, the average monthly job growth, we're negative. We're down 51,000. They do the same thing with earnings. They spoon feed your earnings. They go, oh, my God, our earnings are going to be 2%. That's it, 2%. Then they come in at 10%. Oh, my God, this is unbelievable. It's a game they play. This is just ridiculous. This job report stunk. Why? Because we got the wrong jobs. Just like this week here. I mean, think about it. We got the wrong jobs. We got 61,000 bartenders, waitresses, and minus 36,000 manufacturers. So we got the wrong jobs. Just like this week when we hit an all-time high on the stock market, we had the wrong companies. That's right. When we hit an all-time high on the S&P, we had the wrong group of stocks. We had companies that weren't growth companies. They weren't growth companies. Remember, for almost 10 years, what led this the stock market up, was the FANG stocks. Your Facebook, your Netflix, your Amazon. Those are always making all-time new highs almost every day. Matter of fact, they're about 70% of the market. And that's stopped now. And when you see the leadership stocks, the FANG stocks, they're no longer making new highs. That's why the market since October of 2018 to October of 2019, for 1 year, every time it breaks out, it fails, comes right back down again. And it's going to happen with this too, this little rally we're having. So let's think about this. Think about it. The big FANG stocks is what drove our whole stock market for almost, 8-10 years. But it's not driving the stock market anymore. It's not. And when those stop, and I said this in January 16, 2018, I said, mark this down. This is the first day of the stock market crash. And I said, sometimes a market crash takes a year or more before it happens. It takes a long time. You just don't, people think a market crash, you wake up in the morning and the market's down, it's crashing. It doesn't work like that. Matter of fact, in 1987, we started to short stocks in January. The crash was October. The crash came in October. It always takes time. This time, it's taken much more time because we didn't have, in 1987, we didn't have all the stock buybacks. We didn't have the stock buybacks with the dot-coms. We didn't. Now we got all kinds of stock buybacks, which they can hold the market up. So all this nonsense they're coming out with, how this is a Goldilocks report. This is ridiculous. So think about this. So they're masking the fact that we're losing 51,000 jobs a month compared to last year. You won't hear anybody tell you that. And let's talk about wages. That's the most important thing. The wages is the most important, not the job numbers, because we know the jobs are terrible jobs because we shipped all our good jobs out of the country. We know unless you have strong manufacturing and strong construction spending, and you remember where the strong construction spending comes from, building new factories. We're not doing that anymore. That's where you get your good jobs. Not happening. More when I get back. Join my gang. Be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Join us Saturday, November 9th, Veterans Day weekend at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. The Veterans Day Block Party, hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org.
We make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every every day, you'll be making money consistent.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Stock Corner is brought to you by CashCallMortgage.com.
CashCallMortgage.com. Check them out. If you're a small business owner and you got good credit and you're finding it really tough to get to a bank, to get a loan rather at a bank, it's difficult. When you're a business owner, even with a good credit score, it's hard because they're not used to small businesses, not used to inventory. They don't get it. They just don't get it. So if you go into a bank and you're on a salary, you got good credit, no problem. They get that. But bankers, are you nuts? They don't get it. Not small businesses. You always have a difficult time. And I used Cash Call Mortgage. My wife and I did because we had a house and then we bought a condominium. We moved downtown. So I said, well, I'll get it until I sell my other house. I'll get a mortgage on the condo. And that's what happened. I went to the banks. We had credit scores over 800, both of us. And we thought, oh, it'd be slam dunk, right? We ain't got a mortgage in years. Boy, did I learn. They put us through the ringer. I mean, because they don't understand businesses. They don't understand owning a business. I mean, to them, it was like foreign. You own a business? They wouldn't know the difference between a small business and a cheese sandwich, these guys. So I just got lucky. I found Cash Call Mortgage. Actually, Marta did. And bam, 4 days, approved. 4 days. Unbelievable. So check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com. And if you're in a small business and you're trying to get a mortgage, get away from the banks. Go to a company. That's what they do. This is what they specialize in. By the way, I wanted to also, when I'm talking about that, remember yesterday I said I was going to have 10 I was going to give you 10 charts out, free charts, my 10 free charts, my color-coded chart that tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, when to add, when to run like hell. And it's a beautiful chart because it follows the money. It doesn't follow this crazy stuff. It doesn't follow this nonsense every day that we get from these phony business shows on TV, on cable. I mean, they're terrible. They're just terrible. They don't tell you the truth. I mean, these job numbers today is a great example, and I'm going to go through these with you. It's just absolutely crazy. So, but again, if you want, just go to my site, philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG, and you can get the chart I have. We got 4 left out of the 10, so I'd like to get rid of those 4 today. So just go to my site, philsgang.com, and where it says sign up, you click, sign up right there for your membership, your $39.95, and then we give you the chart. There's $30. You're going to get that free. So we got 4 left. And then at 2 o'clock, what's beautiful, 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern, you go in, and we post a video on our stock portfolio. Each one of our stocks tells you exactly what to do. Just follow the instructions, just like any self-help program. It just shows you what to do. If you just follow what it does, tells you what to do, you're going to make money. You don't even have to think. So why don't you just try it for a month, and instead of using real money, just use paper money. That's all. Just do it on paper. See how you make out, and just follow the instructions. It works out beautiful. You'll see it does. So go to my site, philsgang.com, or 877-600-GANG. We have 4 left. I like to fill that at the end of the day. Okay. So let's talk about these job numbers, okay, in the stock market. The stock market has been stuck for 1 year. Yes, we had a little bit of breakout, but think about it. The market for over a year if you go back and take a look at October, okay, go back to October of 2018, right around it was right around 294 on the S&P, and every time it broke above 294, we were trading from around for 294 to about 300. Today we're at 305. So we're in a very, very narrow range. About what's that? About 1.5%, something like that. Let's see. We'll figure it out. Give me about 294 to around 303. Just give me a percentage on that. Yeah, we've been in a 3% range for 12 months because money is not coming into the market. Money is leaving the market because for all these years, for 10 years, okay, for 10 years, this market has been fueled not by earnings, not by growth. It's been fueled by low interest rates. And I explained to you the other day, low interest rates were there to fuel the dot-com crash, was there to fuel the housing crash, was there to fuel the QE under Obama. And they're trying to fuel even another QE. So if you go back from 2001 to where we are 2019, all those years, not one of those did they let it go into recession. Before then, from the day in 1913 when they had the Federal Reserve, they started the Federal Reserve up to Bush Sr., about 80 years, 14 presidents, they always let the stock market go into a recession so you can clean up the excesses. That means you'll keep your debt down. So instead, what do? They keep the debt down to keep fueling bubbles. And who's paying for that? 90% of the population is paying for it. So they come out today and they go, wow, look at this. This is great. 128,000 jobs. Well, I hate to tell you, that's lousy because we're dropping jobs. We've been averaging since 2018 223,000. 223,000. We are now we're dropping about 51,000 jobs a month. 51,000 jobs a month. So we're going down, not up. And the average hourly earnings, this is what you got to look at. They say it's up 0.1% or 3% for a year. I'll talk about that when I get back. Make sure, go get your free chart. Sign up for the gang first, and then you'll get your free color-coded chart. I have 3 left now. 3.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party. Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, we got 3 more slots open. I'm going to give 3 people my chart, color-coded MV2 color-coded chart that tells us when to buy, when to sell. I'm going to give you that free. Every afternoon at 2 o'clock, we post a video. And on that video, we go right through it with you. We tell you when to buy, when to add, when to sell. It's a beautiful thing. It works because we're following the money. We're not following the noise, the nonsense. So you go to my site right now if you want, and you just click on where to join the gang, and then you'll get the chart. It's $30. You'll get that free. You got to pay the $39.95 for the membership. Then we'll apply the chart for you. Or if you want to call, you can call 877-600-GANG and get your free chart. Now, I want to tell you something, and I'm going to prove to you. Remember I said to you what is really irritating me is that first it was all the lying was all in regards to politics, right? Here, listen.
And back in March, you said you would go forward if it was bipartisan.
No, I
Kevin McCarthy said, "What's changed about that?"
No, I didn't say I would go for if it's bipartisan. I said I would hope that it would be bipartisan.
Impeachment is a very serious matter. It is, if it happens, it has to be a bipartisan initiative.
See? She lied. It doesn't matter because they don't think you know. They think you sit on the world's longest stupid bench. Now, let's take this, and this is the same thing now has happened in the financial news, on Fox, on CNBC, on Bloomberg. The same thing. They're lying all the time. They're not telling the truth. Let me give you an example. Listen to this.
128,000 new jobs created. Okay, the unemployment rate ticked up a fraction to 3.6%, still near historic lows, and wages up 3%.
Okay, that's not true. That's not true at all. Oh, they masked the wages at 3% because here's what goes on. They said the wages increased year over year 3%. But it's not true. They're getting that number because what they're doing is they're not adjusting for the cost of living increases. If you adjust for the cost of living increases, energy, gas, food, health insurance, I don't know what to tell you. When you adjust for it, wages did not go up 3%. They'd been declining by 1.3% since 2017. But he lies and tells you it's up 3%. Because, see what they do? They don't want you to see the adjustments. You got to go look at the adjustments. The cost of living increases. But they don't do that. They just lie because they got to get you excited because they want to call this the Goldilocks economy now. They just lie. Look at transportation, manufacturing, falling like a stone. It's unbelievable. Now let's go to and again, when you look at these wages, they're not taken into any consideration any cost increases. It's like there's no cost increases. It's just stupid. So, and again, the problem we're having is with these jobs, they're not only are they lying about the wage increases, they're lying about the number of jobs. You heard them. They say, oh, we got 128,000 jobs. This is great. No, it's not. It's terrible. Because in 2018, the average job growth was 223,000 a month. Now we're in 2019, the average job growth is down 51,000 a month to 172,000. The jobs came in today. It's even worse. That's 128,000. Even worse. See, it's amazing, isn't it? They just don't want to tell the truth. They won't tell you the truth. That's why I'm here to tell you the truth. Consumer confidence has fallen for 3 months in a row, but they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to tell you that. Why is consumer confidence falling for 3 months in a row? Let me tell you why. Because remember what's happening. The very wealthy are getting wealthier. 10% of our population gets all their wealth from the stock market. 85% of the stock gains go to 10% of the population. And how do they get that wealth? By making sure they keep rates low so they can do stock buybacks. They drop those rates down to near zero, keep them as low as possible so that the 10% of the population always making a ton of money in the stock market. But 90% don't get any of that money. But 90% thinks they're wealthy. That's right. 90% of the population thinks they're doing good. Why? Well, with interest rates low, they can go buy a new car, buy a new van, buy a Harley, buy a boat, take a vacation. They can borrow money. So they think they're wealthy. Well, why do you think the consumer confidence is now falling for 3 months in a row? That's the lowest since March 2011. Because now they're catching on. The way it works is the rich always use the 10% are getting their wealth by putting a cost on the 90%. So as the market goes up, and it's only going up because they got interest rates so low, so the very wealthy, the 10% of the population, can borrow money at low cost to speculate in the stock market. Those low rates, what does the 90% do? Well, they don't go into the stock market because those are wage people. They're working on Main Street. They work for wages. So what they don't understand is they say, oh, I can go borrow money. So they go borrow money. But they're not borrowing money to invest. They're borrowing money to go into debt. But then after a while, they discover, after spending and spending, they can't spend anymore. Why? Because the purchasing power of the dollars in their wallet, in their savings, have gone down. The more prices go up, whether it's stocks or clothing or anything else, more prices go up. That's called inflation. The more your dollar goes down in value. Soon, you need a lot more dollars to buy what you just bought a month ago. You need more dollars. So what happens? Spending slows. So now we start going from inflation, we start identifying a hint of a recession. What's that? Businesses are slowing. They're not selling their homes. They're not selling as many cars. Why? Because the consumer is identifying he doesn't have that buying power anymore because his dollars kept going down in value. He didn't realize that as he was buying all this stuff while he was getting credit. Now what's happening? The businesses, their revenues are, top-line revenues are dropping. Their profits are dropping. Next thing that's going to happen very soon, all these people are going to start getting laid off. Once they get laid off, that's the end of it. That's when you go into your crash. So in the meantime, what's going on? The rich are getting richer. That's right. You see, they can absorb higher costs. As the market goes up, that inflation and everything is going, all the prices, toothpaste, everything, food, clothing, they can absorb it. They can. The 10% can absorb it because they can make money so fast because they're not on salaries. They can make money. They can keep ahead of it. But the guy on salary doesn't get it. He thinks he's buying stuff when he's not buying stuff. He's buying debt. And the more his debt goes up, he finally realizes, oh my God, I can't buy anymore because I don't have enough dollars because the value went down. Gee, I better start paying back my stuff. Then when he starts paying back his stuff or trying to save, the economy stops. And that's where we are right now. So also, I mean, these people, the lying is incredible. The lying is it's just nuts. This is what they're doing right now. So right now, we have the largest annual wage decline, not increase. When you adjust for the cost of living, we have the biggest decline. They're saying we have a 3% increase in wages. Well, they're lying because they don't adjust for the cost of living increases. So we're negative 1.3, not positive 3. And here's the worst case. Look at transportation and manufacturing. It's down by 3.9%. This is insane. This is crazy. This is nuts. So join my gang, and we don't care if wages are up or wages are down. We're going to be making stock purchases. It doesn't matter because we'll be making money.
The show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let Phil's Gang help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. The Phil's Gang Trading and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Don't wait. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. Stop wasting your money and time on outdated newsletters, reading dozens of websites and magazines. You wanted it, you got it. One-on-one coaching with Phil Grandy. For more information and to register, call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. And we'll see you on the charts.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Join us Saturday, November 9th, Veterans Day weekend at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. The Veterans Day Block Party, hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Got 2 of my MV2 color-coded charts left. Remember, I started out yesterday with 10, and I said I only had 4 left this afternoon. I want to clean them up. I got 2 left. It's free. You get a free chart. My color-coded chart tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. And every 2 o'clock Eastern Time, you get your video. It tells you exactly what to do. And if you follow that video right to the T, you're going to do just fine. So all you got to do is go to my site, philsgang.com, to get this. You sign up for the gang, where it says sign up. It's your $39.95. And then we give you the chart free. Or you can call 877-600-GANG. All right. So listen to this. They're telling us how great this market is, this economy.
Here's what it is. It's a robust economy. It's a resilient economy. And really what you're seeing on display here, full display, is that conservative policy determines opportunity. And I think it's important to keep that in mind.
What the hell does that mean? So he's telling us.
Here's what it is. It's a robust economy. It's a resilient economy.
All right, robust and resilient. Let me see. So we got 61,000 people we hired in October that were bartenders and waitresses, making about $8 or $12 an hour. That's really robust. However, we lost 36,000 manufacturing jobs where people were making 68,000. So let's see. So we decided 61,000 people, bartenders and waitresses, were making about $12 an hour. That's better. That's okay. That's good. That's good. That's robust. But we lost 36,000 people who are making 58 to 68,000. That's not a problem. Also, how about this? We lost 7,000 mining jobs. We only had a lousy 10,000 construction jobs. See, here's what you got to understand about construction. Construction goes with manufacturing. When you have a strong construction economy, construction spending. There's construction on new manufacturing plants, or companies are adding to their plants. So that's where you get all your construction from. So the reason we used to be a robust economy is because we had manufacturing and we had construction going at the same time. That's where we built the middle class. And the middle class had disposable income. After they paid their bills, they could start their own business. That's what created this economy. What created the greatest economy in the world were entrepreneurs who started their own business. That's where the strength of this country is. But now everybody wants to go to socialism. Yeah, everybody wants socialism now. So our numbers stunk. But worse than the numbers stinking, our wages are horrible. They're lying about their wages. They're giving us wage increases, but they're saying, we'll fool them. Let's mask that we won't tell them how well these wages are after we adjust for inflation. We're not going to tell them that how much health care is going up. You know how much health care is going up a year. We're not going to tell people how much health care insurance, your car insurance. How about rent, for God's sakes? How about rent going up? So they lie to you. See, the beautiful thing about charting, we don't listen to these jibber jabbers. We never listen to them. So my gang, I pick the stocks. We have our portfolio, and they can follow any one of the stocks in that portfolio. And if they're busy, they don't have time, that's okay. At 2:00, our team gets together and we post a video on each one of our stocks in our portfolio. And we tell them when to buy, then when to add to their position, when to take some profits off, when to add more, when to run like hell. What is better than that? Unbelievable. This economy isn't robust. It's not robust. If it was robust, then let me ask you this. Then why has consumer confidence fallen for 3 months in a row? We haven't seen that since 2011, for God's sakes. Why? Because they're not confident. They're not, because they now know that their dollars in their pocket, after buying for 10 years, low rates, buying all kinds of stuff for 10 years, their dollar in your wallet's going down. Now they can't buy anymore. So they don't have any confidence anymore. That's when we're heading towards the recession. But see, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to my members whether we're in a recession or not, because we have the same skills to go short. When our chart turns red, it tells us the big institutions are pulling their money out and the stocks are going to drop, so we short it. So we sleep like babies. But don't tell me this is a Goldilocks economy when manufacturing in this country is now the smallest share of our economy. Are you kidding? Last time we saw that was 72 years ago, for God's sakes. Remember, it's manufacturing that always gives us the high-paying jobs. And now manufacturing has dropped to its lowest level in 7 years. Look at the manufacturing jobs. Minus 36,000. If this was such a robust economy, then how come Coors just announced they're closing some of their plants? They're laying off 500 workers. How about the retailer Forever 21? They're forever closing their 500 stores. They're closing them. How about Dress Barn? They're closing their stores. And don't tell me everybody orders on the internet. I get that, but that's not why they're closing their stores. Let's talk about the part-time. Nobody's talking about part-time. You know how many part-time jobs we got right now? We never had so many part-time jobs. And you go from part-time into poverty. Oh, but they're not going to tell you that either. See, here's the problem. Most people can't handle the truth.
You can't handle the truth.
And I know what you're going to say. Oh, Phil's always negative. I may be always negative because I'm telling the truth. But even though I'm negative about the market, we're still buying stocks when the market tells us, or our chart, MV2 color-coded chart, says the big institutions, the big insurance companies, the biggest banks are buying a stock, like AU, and a lot of other stocks we have. Just because I tell you the truth, because remember, a stock market, you got to look out. You got to look out forward. You got to look forward what's going on. If you listen to these pack of liars, you're always going to be behind the curve. I mean, this is crazy. The number of people right now, think about it, they're working part-time. And I'm not talking voluntary, involuntary. is more than 50% higher than when we were in the recession, when the recession began. What are you, nuts? This is unbelievable. This is nuts. This is crazy. So, every time the people that are making the money are the 10% of our population, 90% of the population, they're not making money. 90% of the population, they think they're doing well because they have credit. Interest rates are low. They can go buy something on credit. But here's the problem. That hurts a big portion of our 90%. Think about this. We have 50 million. I think I told you this the other day. We have 50 million retirees. These are seniors. And we're getting 10,000 a day are retiring. But they're so screwed, it's unbelievable. Because they need rates to get back to 3.5%. Because, you see, when rates aren't if rates are back to 3.5%, that provides them, the 50 million seniors, $250 billion a year, or $2,500 a month for each one of those seniors. They got $2,500 more on top of their Social Security. But guess what? They stole that $250 billion a month from them, a year from them, for the last 10 years. They stole it from the seniors. Why? Because by stealing that $250 billion a month, they could drop interest rates to zero or near zero. They used the $250 billion a year to subsidize the zero rates. So now you got seniors that are out working who are 70, 80 years old, which means the younger people, the millennials, they can't get a job. And they're telling us it's a Goldilocks economy. Here's the only thing you need to know. You join my gang. Help yourself. Just follow us on our chart. Just do exactly what we tell you to. It takes 2 minutes. If you want to be an active investor, really active, then come to our every day. Come to our academy. Come to our class every day at 9:30 to 11 online. And you can be as active as you want. But if you say, I don't have time to learn, I don't want to learn, if I had time, just give me the stock. That's what we do. There's not a better program here. I mean, this is what you get in the afternoon.
Caterpillar, go ahead and add to your position today. Move your stop up to 136.
See what you're getting? At 2 o'clock, we tell you what to do with each one of our stocks in our portfolio. What is better than that? Does your guy running your 401k do that? Does he, the guy your 401k with, does he tell you what to do with each one of the stocks? Does your investor, your guy at Citigroup? Of course not. 877-600-GANG, get your free chart. You got to join the gang first, $39.95, and you get the $30 chart free. Please remember St. Jude when you're making money. And we'll see you at the charts. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday. Remember, St. Jude's.
Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.